Hello my friends and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. Here I have an EasySMX mechanical keyboard with blue switches. Personally I don't like blue switches, but I will review this anyway. Because mechanical keyboards are awesome. Right. What did I just say? Let's take this out. Whoops, the box is getting stuck. Let's take all this out. There's some card in there. That is some kind of share and win. Sharing is caring. Yes, indeed. Let's pop this open. Very nice packaging. I like that. It's like very sturdy and stuff. So what is this? That must be the armrest. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. That is cool, guys. That is really cool. Palm rest, I mean. It's really nice finish. It's like a slightly rough surface. Manual, there's no CD in here, that's manual, that's the key puller. So let's see how it looks like. Let's take this out. It says it is waterproof, which I don't believe at all. It says that the bottom is designed for water drainage, but let's see underneath. Are these the water drain holes? I don't know. Personally, I think if you spill water on it, then that's the end of it. Let's try. Let's pull one of the keys out. Ow, 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 ow. That hurt. Let's see if we can use the key puller to pull one of those out. No, probably not. Definitely not. Yeah, I can't. It is just for the keys. See? I'll just pull the keys out like so. Or not. Didn't even clip on. I don't like those key pullers. They're always like... Now it's stuck in there, see? Oh my god. Because the thing is, it pushes the key down, and then it can't grip onto it, see? I don't like this. It's very difficult to get the key puller around it. There we go. The problem is, if you put the key puller on, the key touches the, the port like this if you press it down, and if you press it down like this, then see, it doesn't grip around because it goes against the, the bottom of the keyboard. So you have to let it up from one side and then try to wiggle it around like this, see? So it's very difficult to get that thing around. What way was it in here? Was it like this, I think? Yeah, it was like this, I believe so. Maybe it is actually waterproof. See, there's like a cap in here, like in there, so if you spill water on it, then it just drains in there, and this seems to be like sealed. So yeah, I think it actually is waterproof. Well, obviously you can't drop it in the water, that's not what I mean. But if you like spill water on it, then it should be, acceptable. Right, here's the sound of the mechanical keyboard. I just wrote Sethioz reviews. I now messed up. I think I pressed C instead of V. odd angle, so. But that's how it looks like. There are some color effects and stuff. And let's try to put this thing on and see how it looks like with this thing. This should just clip on. Like, see these things in here. They should just clip on. There's these caps in here. So let's see how it goes. Whoops, that's not what I had in mind. Do not slam your keyboard, kids. That is a bad idea. I can't. This is weird. So you should put it from underneath. That's how you should put it. There we go. Yeah, that looks nice. Look at that. That is really comfortable, by the way. Sethioz reviews. Enter. I like this enter key. This is a lot better than the other ones. Seems like it's a UK layout, which I don't like, but I don't really care because I never look at the keys. So, but time for the light effects, guys. What is this around in here? This is terrible. You're not gonna use this when you put it around the PC. Just make it, grip from both sides. You don't need to put it around the cable like so. God damn it. Ta-da! Okay, it's not dark in here, so you can't really see. Actually, you can see, I think. I think you can see the effects. But since it doesn't have a driver, I think everything is done through the, function, and then we press like there's some music, there's like keys in here. See, if you press function and these like stop, play, backwards, so it's like multifunction. And based on the other keyboards, I know that these are the colors usually, or maybe these, or not. I'm not sure what's the color keys. I need to check this. But I also do know that you can swap these and these, the arrow keys and the WASD keys. That's why it says also WASD on these. But I need to check the manual, guys. Well, guys, I checked out the effects and stuff, and I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. It only has these kind of colors. You can't change the colors. That's how it comes. Each row is different color, so I don't know about this. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. I mean, what kind of a keyboard has just one color setting? That this is purple, orange, green, that is red, I believe, blue and red. No, that's orange. I don't know, that's like light orange, this is dark orange. Or yellow and orange or something like this. Yeah, you can't change it, guys, you can't change it. The only thing you can do is press the lights off, that's off, and on. And function home switches between constant on and the breathing mode, and that's all there is, unfortunately. See? You can change the breathing frequency, the speed is this one. See, this goes up and that goes up, down. That breathes really slowly. It's making me mess up with my words, but okay. And if you press this again, then it's just constant on, and then you can change the brightness on these things. See, brightness down and brightness up. And this just turns it off, and that's all there is, unfortunately, guys. You can't do anything at all with this thing. Yeah, that's a bit disappointing. You do have those multimedia keys in here, so it just has the icons on them. Well, it says so in the manual, I can just show you. That's how this thing looks like. These are all the keys, so you can just read through it. You can pause the video and read through it, but that's all there is. No driver, no nothing, so you can't reprogram this keyboard or anything. So I still say it's a good keyboard. I mean, the light effects is not the end of the world, but still disappointed in that. And on the flip side, we have the flipping things. These have nice rubber ends in here, so it's, anti-slip. But they're, regular size, so nothing special about these, really. So here's the keyboard in the dark, which looks pretty awesome, I have to say. I also forgot to mention that you can lock the keyboard, which is really useful function, so whatever you type in here is not gonna affect, you can just hold your hand on it. For example, if you have cats that like to, sleep on the keyboard, then you can just lock it, X function and F11. But I can't find the way to change the colors. However, it is pretty bright. There is another keyboard in here, that's the comparison, the brightness comparison, as you can see. And I got another one in here. But well, I will see ya next time.